Welcome to the how-to video, taking images and clips with Sonosite MT. Before taking your first clip, make sure that you've set your video clip preferences. Find the clip settings control in the touch panel. You may need to scroll down to find it. Tap Video Clip Settings to open the Settings dialog box. Then select how you want the system to take your clips and your clip length. You can also determine whether the system beeps when saving. And select the format you would like to export your images in. To take an image, simply tap the Save Image control, or freeze the image and scroll through the Cine buffer to go to the appropriate image. Then you can tap the Save Image control. To take a clip, tap the Clip control. The clip will record the length of time you've set. If you've set your system to alert you when saving, a beep will occur at the end of the clip. If you want to stop the clip earlier, just tap the control again. To review the current exam, tap on a thumbnail image or clip. The selected image will appear on the monitor touchscreen. You can select a different image or clip while in the review screen. While reviewing a clip, you can pause or play it. To continue imaging, tap Exit Review. What if you want to add more images and clips to an exam that has already ended? You can quickly start a new exam that contains the same patient information. You will first need to display the study list. Select a study from the list and tap Append. Now you can choose to modify data, or you can select Scan to start a new exam with the same patient data. Now let's export your data. First, insert your USB device. Then display the study list from the patient form. Select the study you would like to export and tap Send To. You can adjust to send your data to an archive or export it to a USB. Tap USB, then select your device and tap Export. Finally, you can print an image while scanning. Select the print icon from the touch panel. Your printer will need to be connected to power in order to print images. To view your images on your computer, plug the USB device into the port on your PC. You'll find the images on your USB drive. Now it's time for you to explore on your own. Watch the how-to videos on the Sonosite Institute or refer to the System User Guide for more information.